With a smile and a laugh, he can light up your day like the sun beacon over the hill. And his tail gives a wag 'cause he's ready to play. Come along, it'll be quite a thrill. There's a great big world to discover. Let's uncover what he's got. Everyone is having lots of fun with a friend named Spot. There's so much to learn, it's amazing. Oh my, everything looks so new. It's rather nice to have someone to share it full with. Hey, how about you? Let's begin with our venture with something new we all like a lot. He's a friend named Spot. Boy, I sure do love that dog. He is part of my childhood. Hopefully he could come to my channel someday. Hey, DLR. What's up, Tinky Winky? Are you watching Spot again? Maybe. Yeah, because I could totally hear you singing about it. I know. I'm sorry. It's actually part of my childhood, really. Really? It's part of my childhood, too. I wonder if the rest actually watches Spot. Well, come on. Let's go ask them and see. Okay. Sweet.